How to forward messages on Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to forward a message to another chat, firstly open the Signal application on your Android or iOS. Once you're inside the Signal application, open up the conversation containing the message you want to forward. Once you open the message, go ahead and press and hold the message you want to share, and in the pop-up, click on Forward. Now select the contact or group you want to forward the message to. Now tap on the arrow at the bottom right to forward the message. And now the message has been forwarded. So this is how you do it. You can use this feature to quickly share important information, photos, and other supported contents within your contacts or groups. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.